Hi friends, if your LCD is malfunctioning due to electromagnetic interference, then you should install two capacitors parallel on its supply VSs and VDD. Hopefully, your problem will be solved. Let's see how. You have to use ceramic capacitor 10 for on negative and positive supply points. Take another capacitor of 100 microfarad and 16 volt. Fix it in parallel with the ceramic capacitor. I hope EMI issue will be resolved or reduced to a minimum. Whatever the outcome, please let me know in the comment section.